Smartphones are a brilliant invention. They function as our camera, our GPS, our flashlight, and even as our entire computer. App developers do their best to make user interface as simple and intuitive as possible.
To play music, roll your eyes. Message sent to mom.
But sometimes it's easier to manage things with a physical controller. Meet Nimi and Boozy, the inventors of Pressy, a new way to control and automate your everyday smartphone actions. Pressy is a tiny physical button that connects to your headphone jack and sends unique signals to an intuitive app that can activate one of many commands. Here are some of the many things you can do with your Pressy. Take instant photos and upload them to your favorite social network. Turn on your LED light. Send your location for emergencies. Start a discreet tape recording.
Don't tell anyone, but I like bears.
Check into your favorite social network, and much more. Pressy is not just a one-trick pony. You can easily configure the Pressy app to execute different actions for different sequences of clicks. For example, 2 short clicks can call your mom, and 2 long clicks can call your dad. But what if you want to use your headphones? Just let Pressy rest in the special keychain and use the headphone button as Pressy. It all still works. Pressy even has an API, so developers can bring you more cool features. This is where Nimi and Boozy ask for your help. Pressy needs your love. If 2,000 people support Pressy and order one, Nimi and Boozy will be able to mass-produce Pressy. Pressy, the almighty button.
This is Snapchat. Without switching to a custom app, just place your phone on top and press print. A few seconds later, you'll have a beautiful Polaroid photo of your phone screen. Snapchat is a slim, portable instant film printer for your smartphone. It's like a tiny photocopy machine you can bring anywhere.
The best thing about Snapchat is its simplicity. All you need to do is put your phone on top, press one button, and you get a flawless photo. It doesn't need any apps, wires, or Bluetooth to function.
With Snapchat, the possibilities are endless. If you can see it, you can print it. Imagine a birthday card with a selfie that was taken 30 seconds ago. Or what about printing a custom business card at your next meeting? Snapchat's text is sharp and clear. Never be caught with an outdated business card again. And next time, instead of renting a giant expensive photo booth for your special occasion, why not use a Snapchat instead? Snapchat prints on Fuji, Instax, or Polaroid 300 film, and its innovative design can support any smartphone.
Polaroid is near and dear to my heart. As a photographer, I was just really excited about working with instant film again. And I loved that Snapchat was incorporating the use of a smartphone because it's just so convenient to take photos.
We wanted something that pushed the limits of what's possible with instant film. Like digital effects, fluorescent ink, a pocket video that doesn't require a single battery, lenticular film, and transparencies that come to life with an Arduino and some simple LEDs. We're actually really excited to see what people make with Snapchat and where it's used.
It's no secret that mobile devices are becoming increasingly powerful and more useful every day. We live in incredible times, where smartphones enable us to work, play, stay connected, and share experiences from anywhere in the world. Unfortunately, most smartphone batteries die before the end of the day. If you're out and about, you will need a charging cable that travels with you. We've studied these challenges and created a charging solution that's compact enough to take on the go, easy enough to share, and compatible with 90% of devices. This is Lightwire, your key to secure, hassle-free charging for all Lightning and micro USB devices. It's the fastest, smallest, and safest dual charging cable in the world. We designed Lightwire to be the most compact dual charging cable on the market. It easily fits into the palm of your hand, so you can attach it to your keys, drop it in your bag, or put it in your pocket and never have to worry about charging your devices again. Lightwire is universal and combines the 2 most widely used connectors into one charging cable that's easy to share with anyone, whether they use an iPhone or Android device. It's the only charging cable you will ever need. When you need to use a public charging station or someone else's computer, Lightwire prevents accidental syncing and data exchange, protecting your data and personal information. We knew you don't always have a lot of time to charge your devices. That's why we engineered Lightwire to charge your mobile devices at the speed of light. It's up to twice as fast as regular cables, allowing you to top off your battery quickly during those times you're away from the wall. And it's tough enough to withstand whatever comes along during your day. We made Lightwire unforgettable. It comes in 5 color selections, so you'll always have a charging cable that fits your style, and we've kept the prices small, just $11.
Beam can turn any surface into a big smart screen, allowing you to do whatever you want. You can place Beam above your dining table and play some games with your buddies. Use it in the kitchen to help you cook that delicious recipe. And the great thing is that it runs any app available. Beam is always on and connected with the internet. You can set it up to start any app you want the moment you need it. It can also wake you up smoothly in the morning with the news and the weather forecast. Beam, the smart projector light that fits in any light socket.
We are proud to introduce the Zap Tip, a revolutionary tip connector that helps you charge all your devices with the ease of either a snap-on or a snap-off. Once you have inserted the Zap Tip connector into your device, you're ready to charge with a simple snap onto one of our Zap Tip adapters. With Zap Tips, you can charge everything: mobile phones, tablets, power banks, portable speakers, cameras, and more. Once you finish charging your device, simply snap it off. The Zap Tip was designed to be sleek and small, so it won't add any extra size or weight to your device. It's so small, in fact, that every detail of the Zap Tip had to be perfect. So we spent months and months testing the Zap Tip to make sure you have the fastest and most convenient charging solution at your fingertips. Traveling just got easier with Zap Tips, and its one-size-fits-all connector. You no longer have to struggle with charging your phone when you only have one hand free. Leave Zap Tip connectors around your house and office. When you need to charge your device, simply snap it on.
It happens to all of us. Your phone breathes its last breath, cutting off that important phone call. Or while navigating to that next meeting, dead. It's a sore fact of life, until now. Allow me to present KeyTag 2, your multifunctional digital Swiss Army knife. Let's begin by getting that phone charged, shall we? Charging your phone on the go is as simple as plugging the KeyTag 2 right into your phone. Charge your KeyTag 2 using any USB port. While it's charging, feel free to drop music, videos, photos, and files onto your KeyTag 2. Now that your keys and phone are connected via Bluetooth, lost keys are found with the in-phone KeyTag 2 Finder. Can't find your phone? With a touch of a button, the KeyTag 2 can make your phone sing! What makes the KeyTag 2 limitless is the 2 buttons that are customizable through our app on your phone. You can assign individual functions mapping to button A or button B, and each button can be clicked once for one function or twice for another. These functions include remote camera control. Say goodbye to stupid selfies. You can answer phone calls, or make fake phone calls to get yourself out of awkward situations. Yikes. You can also share your current location, speed dial, check in on social media, use voice recording, change phone modes, record phone conversations. We even added a flashlight, at home or on the go. Smooth out your day with the KeyTag 2.
Whatever happened to the days in mobile when companies were constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation and design, putting out products that were sometimes even considered wacky?
We needed to design a device that was not only an incredible phone, but also an amazing wearable.
I used to repair a lot of phones that had cracked screens or were water damaged, and did it quite frequently. And when I took apart a lot of these phones, I noticed that a lot of the brands shared similar construction and design techniques, and oftentimes used materials that were obsolete, like screws, and using rigid and fragile materials like glass and even steel, and thought to myself there had to be a better way. We first started with a lot of different types of concepts and designs, and after a lot of iterations and testing and vetting, we really kind of narrowed it down to 2 designs, which was a large and a small, and before you knew it, the Portal was born.
We needed to ensure that it was not only waterproof, but also flexible, shatterproof, and wearable.
We needed to build a team of incredible people with a wide range of skill sets who are all unified to pursue our mission and break the mold of the mobile market. The problem with the mobile market right now is that the phones are all the same, and what little differentiation they have is that some are less user-friendly and some are less durable. Things like this still happen, so we're here to change that.
With the vibrant palette, clean typography and easy to understand icon set, the Portal UI is an experience that cannot be missed.
Why be stuck with the same old design when you've got a new refreshing interface to play with? An interface that helps you interact, that knows what you want and works with you in the way that you want it to work.
The Portal not only has all the features you would expect, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, but also has a waterproof Kevlar-infused polyurethane body, a 6-inch flexible display, wireless charging, an unlocked network, and so much more.